everyone, Joe Jump here with Johnson Hometown Realty. I'm out front of my newest listing at 3415 Swinnerton Road. It's about 5 minutes from town. We got 3 bedrooms, 4 bath, about 4,000 finished square foot, all sitting on 75 acres. Why don't you guys come on in and take a look? As soon as you come into the main entrance, you're welcomed by a beautiful open floor plan. You can see this is just a gourmet kitchen. It's a chef's dream. You got high-end appliances and granite countertops, hardwood floors throughout. It's perfectly set up for entertaining. All right, follow me. Let's take a look upstairs. Thanks for watching the tour. Again, this is listing agent Joe Jump, Johnson Hometown Realty, at my newest listing, 3415 Swinnerton Road in Hibbing. List price, $625,000. If you or anyone you know would be interested in setting up a showing, give me a text or a call at 218-929-0198 for a private tour. Hope to see you soon.